आज हम रीड करेंगे अ रेनी डे द मानसून। ठीक है। अच्छा, आपको पता है कि हमारे मुल्क में बारिशें बहुत आती हैं और ये किसी ने कहा था कि जब बारिश आता है तो पानी आता है और जब ज़्यादा बारिश आता है तो ज़्यादा पानी आता है। तो आज भी मैं आपको ये रीड करके दिखाऊंगी। और रेनी डे, विदाउट रेन देयर इज़ नो लाइफ। और हकीकत भी यही है कि बग़ैर बारिश की ज़िंदगी है ही नहीं। बारिश में हम लोग इंजॉय करते हैं, बेशक वो सर्दी की बारिश हो या गर्मी की बारिश हो। बारिशें हम सबको बहुत पसंद होती है, हाँ, लेकिन एक हद तक। जब ज़्यादा बारिश हो जाती है तो सड़कों पे पानी जमा हो जाते हैं, तो वो बहुत थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब सीन हो जाता है। तो आज हम रीड करते हैं रेनी डे। रेन इज़ अ ग्रेट ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम मैनकाइंड। Monsoon is the wind that changes direction with the changes of season. The monsoon prevails mainly in the Indian Ocean. The summer monsoon blows from southwest, generally from April to October. It blows from ocean to land. The summer monsoon usually causes heavy rainfall in the areas of East India and Pakistan. It is the dominant climate event of the area. The pouring rain continues is called rainy season in this area. In monsoon, when there is a lot of when there is rain, rainbow together show beautiful colors of nature. Pakistan is an agriculture country, and prosperity of our country and farmers greatly depends on rain. If rains are sufficient, then we have good agricultural crops. If they are scanty, then famine occurs in many parts of our country. On the other hand, if there are more rains than needed, they bring mountain for the people. Thus, we can say that rains are both a blessing and curse for our countrymen. As it is said, एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज़ हार्मफुल। ज़ाहिर है ज़्यादा बारिश होते तो फिर नुकसान भी ज़्यादा होता है, ना सिर्फ शहरी इलाकों में बल्कि देहातों में भी फसलों को बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट होता है। इन दिस समर सीज़न, बट देयर इज़ अ 3-minute वीडियो इज़ इनफ। In this summer season, when it is a very hot, people pray for rain so that they can get relief from scorching heat of the sun. At such times, when the clouds appear on the sky, everybody becomes happy. Last Sunday was probably the hottest day of the summer. The summer moved the flame upon plains, moved the meadows. Suddenly, the gust of monsoon come like a sudden surge of grace. The sky was overcast with dark and silvery clouds. A cool, refreshing wind began to find everywhere. The thunder and lightning were accompanied with heavy rain. The sound of the rain needs no translation. The joy of people knew no bounds. It must have rained for 3 hours. All the streets were flooded. It looked as if there was water and water everywhere. There was knee-deep water on certain roads and low-lying areas in the city. The traffic on these roads had been closed for some time, as it is said. Without the rain, we would never feel thankful for the warmth of the sun. When the rain stopped, ultimately the people started moving. The traffic, which was standing still, now started moving on the roads. The people who had take shelter under the roof of shops and buildings now started moving towards their destination. Rain made all the people happy as they had got rid of scorching heat of the summer. Thus, rain is a true blessing. अब ये है, देखें, रेनी सीज़न के बारे में मैंने आपको पढ़ के सुनाया है। और ये देखिए, ये एक ऐसे था